Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, December the 23rd. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to the free room. Yes, it is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen live on the mic. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for you. Well, actually, you'll see a link to my homepage first. And from there, you can apply the promo code that you're getting in the email. It is Happy Holly 25%. Don't forget the percent, and you'll be able to take 25% off either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. Now, obviously, if you don't know, the market's only open half a day tomorrow, so the market will be open until 1 o'clock Eastern, and of course, closed all day Christmas Day on Friday. So, if you watched my video yesterday, you know I talked about the Reentry feature, and here's another great example, okay? So, here is RVI. Now, RVI, the alert was at, what was the price? The alert was at 1417, and there was the stop was 1390. So look what happened. This is a long, so 1417. There's the candle. It moved up, and then it moved down and got stopped out. And then it came back. And remember, I was talking about the reentry. So these reentries are automatically calculated once you get the alert. It's just halfway between the entry price and the stop. So in this particular case, that was 1404. So if at any point during the day, the stock hits the stop price and then comes back to that reentry, you can get an alert. And that's what happened at 10:15. You got an alert, 1404. Let's take a look at what happened afterwards. So here's 1404. Basically, I mean, look at this. I mean, this is a 15-minute chart. Basically straight up from 1404 all the way up to 1480 before it started to come down. So, I mean, if you're not taking advantage of using that reentry, I say in the room, you're doing yourself a disservice, because a lot of times, you know, the AI obviously was a little bit early on this one, and it gave you a second chance to get in, and actually at a better price, you know, 1404 versus 1417. So I just wanted to highlight that. And I also wanted to talk about a couple of swings. Well, it's not a swing anymore for me. But clean energy. So clean energy, if you were in the room yesterday, you know that I was waiting for this break right up here. That's why I had that line there. And this is CLNE. And just as I was going into my the marketing meeting that we have at 2 o'clock is when I took this trade. Got in at, I think it was 7:30. Sold here at 8:16. You know, this is just before the market closed. And I held some, though, because it closed so strongly, and woke up this morning to this. And it had really popped up, kept going. This is pre-market, 9 o'clock. This is now the market opening, or right here. And I was really hoping it would keep going, but it didn't. The minute it got under 10 is when I took out the balance of my trade. But still, a great one from yesterday, 988 from 726. And then my other one, this is my one that I'm really excited. Well, I'm excited about. I mean, they're supposed to. The merger is supposed to be in effect on January 8th, I think. And again, this is IPOC. I did very well with the IPOB. This is a guy he's basically created. He wants to go all the way to IPOZ or IPOZ, and so IPOA turned into space, SPCE. IPOB turned into door, and this one is going to turn into, this is Clover Health, I think, and this is supposed to happen on the 8th. But anyway, I got into this one. I have been trading this one in and out, but I got back into this one yesterday at 1345, and you know, it popped up. It got all the way up to 15. It's pulling back down again. You know, it depends what it does. If it doesn't hold this, I'll probably take some out. All right, but I really do want to try to hold this. I just wish it weren't so erratic. You know, I find these can be very, very hard to intraday trade. These are more swing type trades. You have to kind of believe in what this company is doing. You know, this is one of these SPACs, SPACs. You have to look it up if you don't know what they are. Basically, companies that they go public, they've got money, and they're looking to merge with a company, taking that company public. And so that's what's happened. So many SPACs this year. And so this is what these guys are doing with I think it's called Clover Health, and it's supposed to happen on January the 8th. So anyway, that's what I did on this one. I hope to be able to hold it, especially if it gets back up to 15. I will definitely be holding all of it. If not, I'll probably sell some and hold the rest just in case. So that is about it. I mean, this has been an amazing year. Amazing year for a lot of reasons, but certainly this has been the year of the SPAC, SPAC, and this is just a new thing. I mean, companies wanting to go public instead of having to. I mean, they still have to go through certain regulations, but it's a lot easier with these SPACs being formed that then go out and seek these private companies and take them public in a much easier way. So, if you're not in the room tomorrow, if you're going to take tomorrow off, again, it's only half a day, then, happy holidays. If you're, obviously the market's closed on Friday, and we'll see you Monday morning. I'll certainly be opening the room Monday morning. So if you're not in the room tomorrow, happy holidays. And don't forget, there is a promo for 25% off. So I'm just going to bring back the capture program. And again, if you have any questions for me, this is the email address. The room will be open tomorrow at 9 o'clock until 1 o'clock Eastern Time. So if you're in the room, I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.